Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. This is Ngobo 20 Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay 0.
Orlando
My brother, how's
Pirates
it?
2, South Africa 0.
Ola puta mo right. Ngiyaphila ngathanda ukubongela Mr. Ngobo ngokuthi ubuyile, you know.
Thanks,
We've been missing your content, you know. People I know that thirsty for your content, and hopefully going forward man will deliver something nice for the people, you know.
Thank you so
We've been
much.
missing you, but
Thank you.
Other than that siyabongela Mr. Ngobo singene game in straight ke manje. Kama lami ayana Mgidlana uKoke. Sonke samazi bafethu the best analyst bafethu on the platform. Bafethu misibheke iPirates versus Richards Bay Orlando Amstel Arena bafethu. It was a beautiful game, very tactically, a game whereby two masters were facing each other, you know. I love the way bacoaching ngakhona. Richards Bay is well coached, Mr. Ngobo. You can see the way they apply themselves. They're well coached. You can tell ukuthi indlela abadlala ngayo, they are not joking. They know what they want. They knew what they wanted in this game, and then they went for it, you know. Yes, they could say Pirates can beat us, but if we can beat them, then let's go for it, you know. They were not just here just to park the bus and relax. At some point, yes, they were playing a low block and mid block, but whenever chances were there, they were trying to utilize them, you know. For that to coach where Richards Bay, ngamnikeza ticket 10 out of 10. And then we go into a game. I feel ukuthi battle between Richards Bay and Orlando Pirates was won and lost in the middle. In the middle, Mogumbatha, uMakhawula versus number 6 wabo. I forgot Kamala number 6 no number 20 Umthetho with Richards Bay, number 6 Richards Bay no Umthetho, you know. Those players are very important in this game. My game, it looked like it's a balance in the middle because it was a head-on collision. We balance, but my Umbatha why control in middle field was the one that dominated in middle field, ended up with Abane dominance over in middle field. And the reason for that is that number 20 Richards Bay I forgot his name, man. I forgot his name. Umthembu. The reason why they lost that battle, Umthembu was losing a lot of balls in the middle. Umthembu bamnikeza amabhola, makamela protect or create a foul. Albamba alfake phakathi kwakhe bambhampe kancane and then retain pole position, but because mekaluza amabhola cheap with some tries, and then Umbatha wenzani uyawalungisa, Umfukeng wenzani uyawalungisa. Every time makaluza amabhola Umfukeng uyawalungisa, uTiti uyawalungisa kulayi bashaye khona no police. Every time akashaya amabhola uLimchita number 20 bayawalungisa lamachita lo Umfukeng ngoApolice no Tito noMbatha. They were recycling the ball and then apply pressure. Another mistake game mayise progress abebayenza is that bebe no longer wanting to play. They were scared to play. Once the drums start beating, I say Orlando, the fans were cheering for Orlando Pirates. They started getting scared. Even no goalkeeper was not comfortable in playing short passing. Instead, was going for long balls. Whereby now Orlando Pirates did not need to work for the ball. Instead, Orlando Pirates will relax, let them play the long ball. Orlando Pirates will recycle the ball. But Kalepanzi play ball share. So it means manje basebenza twice. You have to win the ball and at the same time melee or attack. And then it's the confidence. The more you give the ball to Orlando Pirates, is the more they get confidence on the ball. They're no longer losing the ball cheaply. And another thing Orlando Pirates ANC, which was very smart, to take in a police, take in Umfukeng, and let Uho to have the width, and let Riding Sibilibili have the width. So now Magne width Uho to no Sibilibili. Baba confused because Bibadala 4-4-2. Richards Bay, 4-4-2. But now with these compact midfielders and Nale with Ekon, they don't know who to mark. That is why goal number 1 Lize Sibilibili. Lize Ganja Sibilibili, Megai one on the right hand side. But niggas Sibilibili take on a player on, and Sibilibili might take on a player. Be aware with Tito Zozazo support. It's either gonna be Tito or a police or Redozo support to make a 2 versus 1 in that side. That's why you can't pick a police or so they are very smart in terms of Orlando Pirates, the way they approach this game. In terms of a race, as far as it's concerned between Orlando Pirates and the Sundowns, the race is on. There was a time Mamelodi Sundowns won the league 3 points against Morocco Swallows. Back in the day, it was George Butler who coached Mamelodi Sundowns. It was very interesting. So Sundowns has been in this position before, and there was a time Mamelodi Sundowns whereby they won 7 games in a row. They were coached by Jose Lupet, Stan Lupet, and there was a times Mamelodi Sundowns me coach corner idlala ishushane piano ba ubaba uStan screamer shabalala, you know. So they've been in this situation before. There was a time Mamelodi Sundowns had the best players. Talk about Rafael Chuku, talk about the likes of Rocha Fetumba. So they've got everything that made them win before, and they're still having it today. So the league is there, and I like it the way Orlando Pirates and Zangakona signing quality players. This season alone, Orlando Pirates signed 18 players alone this season to puff up the squad. I think it's gonna help us because if SK at World Cup we're gonna face Mexico, we need players who are hungry, willing to fight. So I think it's gonna help us.
Perfect. Let's go back to the game. Amasap Aga coach Uwadu. I saw him, you know, a keeper Utito. Tito is one of the, you know, players, you know, who'll slow the game down and all that. And then after him keep, I'm gonna say fast, and then there were a lot of mistakes. Do you think Uchi, a player like Tito, was supposed to be stopped?
For me, it was a mistake, Mr. Ngobo. Clear mistake. Utito is very important with Orlando Pirates. You know, the way Orlando Pirates man, they don't recycling the ball. My second ball, Tito was very influential in terms of what going to the half spaces, manipulating the half spaces, operating the half spaces. That's why I was with Richards Bay. Because every time Tito can operate in the half spaces. Tito does not lose the ball easily. So my keeper Utito, just to go to Richards Bay in terms of equality is not at par with Orlando Pirates, but versus another team that is pan Orlando Pirates, that was a dangerous sub which keep umuntu ofana no Tito. So for that one, yes, for the game lane, but when you are facing a team that got better quality than you and or the same quality as you, it was a wrong move for me. But end of the day, umfagile umahopa wamsebenzela wakora, which will say that's a good one. And so ukora penalty, so it's a good one.
Thanks. Lastly, back to my followers.
My followers can get me go TikTok. I am Gidlana Koke, you know, football with Koke. You can go with football with Koke. Check out TikTok, I'm there, and also I am Gidlana or with YouTube. Also Koke, just Koke. Lomazi, la pa Atletico Madrid, but number 6 Atletico Madrid, KOKE, Koke lawyer.
Thanks,